No. Sounds like more crazy pop stock to me, right?
Yeah. This is crazy!
Dude, I think it's the book!
What?
Don't you get it? The pancakes, Benson liking us, the work, this blizzard! Skips!
Dude, how are we gonna find him? I can't see anything!
Just keep going! What was that? Skips!
That's not good.
Help me get him into the cart!
Oh no, we're dead!
Wait here!
Put a guy, come back! Look out!
I don't remember writing that in the book.